The purpose of these visualizations is to develop a way to faster analyze statistics so that it may be used to help players review and improve performances. As can be seen in this example of former Test cricketer Shivnarine Chandrapal, of whose career spanned 22 years, his statistics are portrayed in the typical tabular form of rows and columns. This is translated to our player career visualization. In this visualization, each bar represents a season in Chandrapal's career. The length of the bar signifies the total number of runs scored in that particular season, as can be seen when we hover the mouse over a particular bar. Within these bars are smaller bars that denote all the milestones he achieved during his career. The green bars are scores of 50 and over, while the blue bars represents each time that Chandrapal scored a century. The width of the milestone signifies the magnitude of that milestone, as can be seen here where the widest blue bar represents a double century against South Africa in 2005. All of the bars combined are an aggregate summary of the player's entire career, which includes 164 matches over 22 years and can be broken down in a number of ways, such as the runs scored away from home versus the runs scored at home. It could also be broken down further against each opponent from the other Test playing nations. This is useful when doing comparisons, as can be seen here in 2002 when Chandrapal had his most successful season. We can see clearly that the majority of his runs were scored against India alone. Circles are also used to represent the seasonal averages of Chandrapal. These circles have variant sizes, where the larger circles denote higher seasonal averages. In the catch and dismissals visualization, the areas where batsmen of a team are caught are graphically mapped to the fielding positions on a cricket ground. The goal of this visualization is to seek insight and provide player feedback on possible areas of weakness. Each area a batsman is caught is symbolized by a red circle, whereby the size of the circle is determined by the frequency by which they were caught in this specific position. The visualization can be filtered by the individual players, and upon zooming further, information on the type of bowler faced that resulted in that catch is provided. In the aggregate wickets visualization, a line chart is used to represent the bowler's progression throughout a season, where each line represents a bowler in the team. A bar chart is incorporated that seeks to translate the individual performances of the bowlers into the results of the match. Here, the color of the bar signifies the result, while also displaying the total runs the bowlers were able to restrict the opposition for. When a player is selected from the list, the line chart that represents their performances for the season is highlighted, and the user can then hover over each match to get their individual performances.